we are going to find a couple lizards, only 2. So, my sister Fee is going to try and find them and see how fast she can.
Now, why might it be tricky to find them?
Because they're camouflaged.
All right, Fee, you think you can find them quick?
Okay, go. Over here?
Can anybody spot them?
Hi, little lizard. White one. Hi. Lizard, go on here. Because you like whiteness. You can
Is there another lizard?
Yes, there's one more. You can stay there for right now. There's one more. It's hard to find that little cutie. Where is that little cutie? He's gotta look so cute. I cannot see that cutie. Is it under something? No, it didn't say to put it under. It's something. Only on top of something.
Any clues?
The clues are too easy, so no clues.
Is it white like the other one? Or does it maybe have a pattern?
A pattern. What? That's only clue. Only one clue. Not 2 clues. Like, is it in this room or that room?
Tell her she's getting warm or cold.
Okay. Warm, cold, cold, cold. Warm, warm, warm. Warm, warm, warm. Warm, warm, warm. Warm, warm, warm. Warm, hot. Hot, hot. It took you forever to find it. And look at his print. I put him Z.
They look cute. It makes me want to make those.
See this?
Those look like
I was going to put it right here, but it stands out more. This pillow looked more like him, so I just tried to place him like whitish black so it can blend in more, because it didn't really blend into the chair. I was trying to, but it looked better here, and it was harder to find.